Okay, here we go. Hello, all my traders. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on your time zone. We are here in the markets. Let's see, I'm testing this new platform here of 1 hour. It has some advantages. For example, I like that I put filter in position size here to see the big moves of some traders. Okay, let's see. We saw big moves right now. We saw overnight this pull higher, but most of the times before market opens, we see market makers trying to drag market in the opposite direction in order to take stops. Let's see. It's gonna be big fight today. Okay, now what to say? Market is selling off, but finding support in the 200 moving average, and also this is 48.17, a good area. Let's see. Let's wait for the opening rates to form. We see pretty much wide opening rates, meaning that we're gonna have volatility for sure. Okay, this is a typical chart. This is the anchored big WAP. Let's see. Of course it is in play, and you know something. Okay, let's say yields also moving higher. This is the bond future price, so meaning that when bonds goes down, the yield goes higher up. Okay, in the dollar space, currencies are pretty much unchanged. All the game is in the equities. Okay. I saw this reject of those levels, and we see how aggressively price moving down. I believe we are gonna have a down push to 47.90s, so I'm looking to sell any strength now in the high of the opening range. Now I have many platforms open in my other screen, so I'm a little bit what I'm gonna do here.
Order filled.
What was this now? Not here. We see the selling continuing pretty much aggressively, but buyers are stepping in those levels. Okay, let's try one long. I wanna do now here. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Already picked up one, but to be honest, I don't like it so much. But we are still inside the opening range. I'm going for a push higher to test the high of the opening range. Don't forget that we have had this steep the last 15 minutes before the opening steep move lower. There are gonna be some correction. To be honest, I don't like much this new platform. We see still aggressive sellers here. I have put a filter here to screen and see only the big sizes, because if I remove this, for example, this is the speed, the velocity of the ticket as it calls. But okay, I don't find big value. I like to see any big moves, so I screen 100s, and I see that all the big lots were selling. And we see what is happening. Aggressively selling off. Again, going to break the lower side of the opening range, but we need 5 minutes to have it formed, because we are monitoring the first 15 minutes to mark the opening range.
Order filled.
I'm buying some more in
Order
my
filled.
other account. See how quickly market reversed and went back again in the pre-opening overnight session. I mean near the close of yesterday's session. I'm not looking at the chat because I do some trading in many accounts right now.
Order filled. Order filled.
We see some buyers stepping in at those levels. Here we go.
Order filled.
Still we see big selling, lots. Let's see when the buyers will step in buying big chunks from the offers.
Order filled.
Everything now. Okay, not here, here. Also, there is a lot of noise from outside. They are doing something in the roads. Okay, so now we see market consolidating at those lows. And as long as the 10-11 holds, I think we are gonna see a pullback to the upside. That's why I'm buying and waiting. No matter what, after such a big sharp drop, a reaction higher is coming. Oops, here we see the first big buying chunk. And you see how market quickly reverse higher. I'm gonna join this big buy at 15.75.
Order filled.
Again we see aggressive buying here. Not my buy. Again, someone is lifting the offers. This might also be those guys closing their positions. Okay, doesn't mean anything, but it is some indication. At least for me, because I have watched this pattern many times. Let me check the chat now. Or is it somewhere here? I'm lost in the windows right now, guys. Yes, S&P is finding some support. That's why I'm buying those lows. Going for a reversal higher. How much higher? We will see. Okay, the opening range has been formed. We are trading inside. Nasdaq leading as yesterday. Let's see the shoot up to the upper side of the opening range to take our profits. I would like to put some music, but I'm afraid the copyright thing in YouTube will put warnings. So we are having the music of the road. Okay, come on, let's go. Very tight trading so far. Here we go again.
Order filled.
Dollar is giving some back. Here we go. As I said, at least according to my observations and studies and research in the opening range trading system that I'm using and I have developed, it acts as a magnet. For example, it can go quickly from one side to another, and then when it breaks, finally gives direction, as we had yesterday. You remember what happened yesterday? Let's check us again. What is the opening range of the yesterday session? It was down here. Okay, that's why I don't see it. This is what happened yesterday. We opened here. We traded near the opening range. We had the first attempt lower. That's why I took my positions off. I was stopped. But then that we had the second attempt to go inside the opening range, I pulled the trigger again, got long, quickly confirmed my hypothesis that we'll have soon a rip higher as we did. Okay. Now I think we are making the same now. We are trading inside. Actually today it's a little bit more hawkish, more bullish because we didn't have even a break below the opening range. We are just tested the lows and now we are pushing higher very aggressively, if you get what I mean.
Order filled.
Okay, what was this now?
Order filled.
I see some stalling here. I'm looking some profits.
Order filled.
I don't like this platform at all, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this account. Maybe I will just
Order filled.
gamble it with full contracts, full minis, so to have some fun at least. I don't like. The only thing I like about this platform is that I see this time sales filter. Okay, maybe Tradovate has it. Probably should have it, but I have not looked for it. It's nothing big. Anyway, we see the reaction higher coming. I believe we are gonna have explosive move when we break above the opening range.
Order filled.
Yes, it is the best time to trade for me because liquidity is at best. It's the most liquid time. You see also what is happening here in the volumes. So you can enjoy your rest of the day and waiting for the New York to open market. We see some aggressive sellers here starting to come. Gold is having a good rally today. Break up above the previous support, now acted as resistance with very big momentum. So I believe we are gonna trade at least at 40s. We made a high at 39. Okay. What else? Oil also rallying. Yields keep falling, keep rising. Impressive. A dollar doesn't picking up with yields. Interesting. Let's go back to the futures trading. Here we go again for the opening range. I keep this contract long still running. Ooh, and here we see what I mean. Quickly spike higher. And here we go. Exactly as I thought. And because it is quick, let us hit the take profit. Just for a few points. I think I need some more coffee. We have some news. Michigan indicator. Makes some sense. You see how perfectly the levels with the news and trends align. Okay. What are we having here? Big spike higher, now inside again the opening range. Let's take this off. Cancel orders. Yes. So now I am flat in all my accounts. And let's see, maybe it's time to go short. We got the reaction that we were expecting. Also now fighting with VWAP, moving averages here, multiple time frames, big spike higher, and again aggressively inside the opening range. What else do you need to go short? Come on, we missed it. For educational purposes, you see, you are costing me money. Joking, I enjoy trading together, and I think you are enjoying too, right? Let me check the likes. 13 likes. Yes, you are enjoying it. Good. Nice. Godiva made a nice profit. Congratulations. You don't trade with Greg? Why not? Join our team. We are growing pretty fast. In Telegram, I trade during all the day. I just do this live. Started doing this live during this high volatility niche time area. And to be honest, it's not easy because I trade multiple accounts. I have to talk, I have to explain, I have to be more offensive, more defensive because I trade very aggressively. Okay, as I said, I don't like this account. I might go a little bit more aggressive here. I don't care if I lose it, it's just a trading combine, it's not live yet. Okay, I said I have bias to go short. We went again inside the opening range. Okay, I will short more. Oops, now I missed the trade in FX. Okay. VWAP, see that holding the reaction for now at least, and here we go. Let's go to test again the other side of the opening range, the lower side. Okay, flat again. What was the news? Michigan better than expected. Okay. Home sales. We had the existing home sales. Was unexpected. That's why we have had this spike higher. But quickly market reversed lower. Okay. If we see the break of the lower side of the opening range, I think we're gonna have a big red day. Okay, I still see people here. Are you with me, guys? You're gonna hold this trade, this live open? Guys, it's okay. Everybody having its own experience. Doesn't mean anything. Big move so far.
Order filled.
Let's see. We're gonna have some buyers stepping in now to test the lower side of the opening range. So, two scenarios. Either we quickly reversed higher and marking this as a double bottom. We need to make a new high above 48.30. Or break this low and say bye-bye to the buyers. Yes, yields showing the way, I'm afraid. Yesterday we have had Apple dragging the markets higher. Today, let's check. Apple is quiet so far. Here we go again. Okay guys, I'm going to grab another coffee. Don't disappear. Be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. What did I miss? Yes, we have had another test of the lower opening range, and now we are pushing again to break the higher end of the opening range. Okay, let's go long here. We see also breaking above the VWAP. Aggressively, three opened. Oh, and now ripping higher. Come on. If we break above those highs, we are gonna have a big candle higher. Lot of stops now have been accumulated on those levels above.
Order filled.
Nicotine boost as well. Why you expect a bloodbath at the closing? You mean the last minutes? You saw it in your crystal ball. To be honest, no, it's not good because we rejected the VWAP as well and the resistance here. But let's see, just now we had also, no, this was before a 26. Dollar also pushing higher. Again inside the opening range, dancing inside, up and down. Here you go again. Let's see, this time we must break. Here we go again. Another 100 pot here. Let's join him. Yes, you must watch the pound GBP in the London opening. The first, also Euro moves in the London opening, and also DAX, but not with the same velocity like the US Open. It's the most liquid session. But you can split your day. At least this is what I do. I trade in the morning, 1 hour in the London Open, and then market usually consolidates, depending on the day, of course, and then come back to trade the newest news at 8:30 usually US time, and 9:30 US time I should be here for the US market opens, the spot equity open, the cash market. Of course, futures trading 23 hours per day. But you see the volume is in the US session exactly when the market opens. Okay, let's try to trade here as well in the live account. Going for this 32.
Order filled.
I don't like at all this quant hour platform. I made a big mistake that I initiated an account with this platform, because I think I cannot change now. Oops, we have some selling here. No. Now this is a big question. Usually when we have a break either side of the opening range, a pretty aggressive move following. Okay, it's not always reversing. Depends on the overall trend as well. And that's why I bought, because I thought we tried many times to break higher, didn't happen, but let's see, still we're making higher lows, I think we are gonna have another push higher to break this level. If not, I'm gonna take the stops below like yesterday. Also, we have had the break of the VWAP, and VWAP generally is either make or break, meaning that either will break and continue higher or make and continue lower. Yes, gold also keeps drifting lower along with the yields, and the dollar reversal, but let's see. Nasdaq now also pushing higher. I think I'm gonna close for now and reopen later near the closing of the markets with a good cigar and some nice alcohol. What do you think? Nasdaq trying to lead here like yesterday, but let's see. Grab a Cohiba. Who told you, Mary, that I won't be short when the bloodbath you are calling will happen? As I said, if you follow me, I still expect one big push lower, okay, in the markets. I have it somewhere, I don't know which chart. But for now, here I have it, yes. But for now, Nasdaq is, yes, maybe today it's the day, why not? To have this fake break in the weekly. Let's see. But for now, we are focusing in the trading system that we know. And here we go. Let's have the big break higher to close the live. Let me also put the levels I want to take profits here. Come on, why? Here. I'm 4. Also here too. Don't worry, good things take time. And to be honest, I don't care. Also, selling this break of 1918 below is also good because market is accumulating and will give an explosive move either way, up or down. Okay. To be honest, we see the moving averages pointing lower, but if we break above 26, 27, this will change dramatically to the upside. Yes, and you get the idea of how important is the opening range. Usually we have a quick break if the market is going to trend either way. We're gonna have a quick break in the first minutes. Now shows indecisiveness and something big explosive will come. Don't forget this is 1 minute chart, okay? Yes, you can, and you can place your stop at 30. You can do many things, okay? Doesn't mean anything. Of course you can do. No one knows for sure. We are just trending with probabilities. And of course you never know what is the correct probability. You just make your bet, your speculation, your view. You trade your view. Also the same happens with the dollar, big indecisiveness, okay? We see this dancing inside very tight range also in the euro. To be honest, I expect to have a break higher in the euro as well, so markets will break higher as well too, but those ones that are inside my Telegram group know I have outlined one midterm scenario for the dollar. Maybe I will post during the weekend in the Twitter feed as well. Okay, I think I'm gonna close the live and come back later. Okay, see you all guys.